We have to simplify completely x squared minus 9 over x squared minus 3x. The first question that you ask yourself is, how can I express the numerator in its simplest form, and how can I express the denominator in its simplest form? So once we express the numerator in its both numerator and denominator in their simplest form, then we will be able to simplify completely. Now let's take a look at the numerator. We have x squared minus 9. Since we are having square here, let's express 9 in terms of square too. A square of something, 9 is a perfect square, so that we will have x squared minus 3 square. Now over something is common to these both, so x is common to both, so we factor x out, so that when we take x out from x square, we will be left with x, then minus when we take x from 3x, this will become 3. Now we still have more things to do. For the numerator, we will apply the difference of two square rule that says a square minus b squared is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. If you expand this, you will get a square minus b square. Here now, x is the a, while 3 is b. So here now, this means x squared minus 3 square will be equal to x plus 3 and x minus 3. So this is what we will use to replace the numerator, so that now we will be having x plus 3 bracket x minus 3, then over x bracket x minus 3. Now you can see that it's making sense. Now x minus 3 will cancel out x minus 3 here, since we are having multiplication in between them. So what we'll be left with will be x plus 3 over x, and we've simplified completely because there is nothing else we can simplify. And you can also write this as 1 over x bracket x plus 3. There is no other way we can simplify this, so we've just simplified it completely. If you have any question, let me know in the comments.